Hello, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video. Unathi is not here for baseless rumors, you guys. The South African singer and television personality publicly shuts down a fan who suggested she has been using cocaine after a footage of her sniffing during a recent stage performance circulated online. In a post shared on Twitter on Wednesday, the 12th of August 2026, the former Kaya FM host addressed the accusations head on, explaining that the cold weather on Saturday was to blame for her visible discomfort. She pointed out that she was performing with her chest exposed while also being physically pulled away from behind by styling and sound crew, all of which contributed to how she appeared on stage. The star was empathetic that substance use plays no part of her life or her work ethic. She called out the commentator directly. She said it had to be a man to insinuate that I'm on cocaine when I'm sniffing from the cold. Saturday, we had with my entire chest open while being pulled from the back by styling and sound, she wrote. She said, I don't do Grandpa Msunu and always work sober. Now shut up, at least until September, you fool, she added, tagging the user who sparked the drama.